Happy holidays, everyone, and welcome back to another cocktail episode. Today, we are going to be doing a Christmas classic, and that's right, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation.
Yeah, I'm excited about it too.
Hip hip hooray for Christmas vacation.
Christmas Vacation. We're not good at singing, but I think we're good at making cocktails, and I think we're good at picking good movies to make cocktails for.
We have two wonderful cocktails for this.
Oh shit.
As always, with some of these Christmas movies, really hard to narrow down which ones to do.
In Christmas Vacation, the Griswolds family's holiday season spirals into chaos as Clark Griswold's efforts to create the perfect Christmas leads to a series of increasingly outrageous mishaps. Between malfunctioning lights, a disastrous turkey dinner, and a surprise visit from unwelcome relatives, Clark's festive cheer is constantly pushed to its limit. Through all the mayhem, the Griswolds discover that the true spirit of Christmas is about family, no matter how imperfect the celebrations may be.
We went with the long-awaited Christmas bonus, Jelly of the Month Club.
That's right.
And the second drink is really the hero of this movie, in my opinion.
In a weird way, he is.
Yeah, and much-loved character, the Cousin Eddie.
Yes, good old Cousin Eddie.
This is just a real nice surprise.
I'm really excited to get this movie going, so let's first start making the Jelly of the Month Club. For the ingredients, we're using gin, pine Amaro, cherry Amaro or maraschino liqueur, your jelly of the month, salt, club soda, and a lemon peel.
In a shaker tin, you are going to add 1 ounce of your favorite gin, a ½ ounce of pine Amaro, a ½ ounce of cherry Amaro, 3/4 of an ounce of your favorite jelly, and a pinch of salt. Add the spring and dry shake while dreaming about swimming pools. Then uncover, pull out the spring, add some ice, and shake for 20 seconds until chilled. Strain into the chilled jelly jar with ice. Top with club soda, express a lemon peel, and tuck it in, serve with a straw. And here we have the Jelly of the Month Club. And for this one, we decided to use grape jelly. Now you can use whatever jelly is your favorite.
Thanks for telling us.
Raspberry, strawberry, probably like an orange marmalade. I don't know how many jellies there are out there, but I bet there's a lot.
I think that it's really tasty. The big highlights here is that it actually really features that pine Amaro.
Yeah, it does.
It tastes like Christmas.
This is what Christmas is all about.
Which is very fitting.
You're right, it's very fitting for this. The gin, it doesn't really matter which one you pick. It could just be your favorite. We did use a very botanical terroir. Honestly, any type of gin is going to play well with that pine schnapps.
Yeah.
If you can't get pine schnapps, pine simple syrup,
Little full, a lot of sap.
although it's not alcoholic, or if you go anything like herbal, it's going to highlight that herbalness.
Yeah, this is very fresh. Like really fresh and light. I really like it a lot.
I hope this adds to your enjoyment of the holidays.
It'd be interesting to try some other jellies. I think we've only done grape to this point, but it would be interesting to try some other ones. Now, it's not a drink if you're watching this wintertime. It's not gonna warm you up from the inside, but get a blanket, throw a log on the fire.
Not a log, I don't have a log.
Well, while you sip on this, shall we make the Cousin Eddie?
Here's a little list.
For the ingredients, we're gonna use Screwball Whiskey, kind of a must here because Cousin Eddie is a screwball. Some Baileys, cinnamon simple syrup, half and half, vanilla extract, salt, and whole nutmeg.
All right, to make Cousin Eddie in a shaker, we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of Screwball Whiskey, 0.5 ounces of Baileys, 0.5 ounces of cinnamon simple syrup, 2 ounces of half and half, 1/8 of an ounce of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Add some ice, a spring, some more ice, cover and shake while saying grace. Double strain into a mousse cup. And grate nutmeg on top. All right, here you go, the Cousin Eddie.
In its very own Marty Moose mug, which they also have in the movie.
Yeah,
It's pretty cool. I've never drank out of a mug or a glass like this before.
Drum roll, please.
Now, when we were developing this, we were trying to go for a legitimate single-serve eggnog, but
It wasn't working.
I mean, we weren't in
was
love
fine.
with it.
It was a good try.
And if you're gonna make a Cousin Eddie drink, it can't just be fine. If you're gonna make a drink for a Christmas vacation, it can't just be okay.
No, we don't want to drive it out somewhere and leave it for dead.
No, definitely not. Cousin Eddie is such a screwball character.
I appreciate that.
Why don't we go ahead and put in some Screwball peanut butter whiskey?
You know, you shouldn't have done that.
That's exactly what we did. I love it. I think it has great flavor. I love the mixture of the peanut butter with the cinnamon syrup, the nutmeg on top.
It is good.
I really love the way all those flavors come together. They just fit very nicely. And for me, not typical flavors that I usually place together, but I think it works really well in this cocktail.
Yeah, it's super tasty.
Where's the Tylenol?
Even though it's not a precise single serving eggnog, I think you will not be displeased at all by this. In fact, you might love it just like our favorite character.
Let's go. Let's go.
Should we bring in the other cocktail and kind of do a little comparison, talk about both of them, maybe turn your water alarm off? I don't know. I mean, we're recording here. I literally think we need an on-air sign because this is not the first time it's happened just between us.
Don't be so dramatic.
We have both cocktails here. This one is definitely sweet. This one has some sweetness to it. I think you would think because it has the grape jelly and everything that it would be sweeter than it is. You know, it has that piney taste and everything, so it kind of curbs that a little bit.
Thanks for noticing.
Yeah, Amaros are a little bit bitter by nature, and we've got both cherry and pine Amaro in here. And then really just the jelly is sweetening it. So it's light, refreshing, and not too sweet, which is a great balance to cut through the Cousin Eddie.
These are probably the two best cocktails that you could come up with because they do drink sort of the eggnog in the film. We were able to get a glass. No, we just got this off Amazon for, I don't know, 10, 15 bucks, something like that. But it's something we had to have for this episode. And then the jelly of the month, it kind of gives you some options. You can choose your favorite jelly. You can kind of be creative and make it the way you want.
Yeah, certainly. Make sure you let us know what kind of jelly you end up using in your cocktail in the comments below. If you like what you see here, we have more coming.
You serious, Clark?
Especially into the new year, we've got a huge
Long list.
lineup.
Not big, it's just full.
But we'd love to add to it, so please let us know what movies you'd like us to watch. Let us know how you're enjoying the cocktails. Let us know how you're improving the cocktails. Yeah, like, subscribe.
Comment below. Time to go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Not a log. I don't have a log, but not in the case that you think I said I did.
It must be a lie.
It is.